Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast that's out of this world. I'm your host, Carl, and we're excited to have you join us for another episode of cosmic exploration and discovery. Today, we're diving into a mystery that's got astronomers buzzing. Imagine a star that's behaving in a way that's never been seen before. It's like nothing we've ever encountered in the universe. We're talking about an object known as ASCAP-Joan 1832, which has been detected near the edge of a supernova remnant. Now, you might be wondering what a supernova remnant is. Well, it's essentially the leftover material from a massive star that's exploded in a catastrophic event. But here's the thing. This object, ASCAP-Joan 1832, doesn't seem to be connected to the supernova remnant at all. It's like a cosmic outsider, doing its own thing. Using data from the Chandra X-ray Observatory and the Square Kilometer Array Pathfinder radio telescope, scientists have discovered that ASCAP-Joan 1832 cycles in radio wave intensity every 44 minutes. That's thousands of times longer than pulsars, which are rapidly spinning neutron stars that have repeated variations multiple times a second. And if that's not weird enough, this object is also regularly varying in X-rays every 44 minutes, a phenomenon that's never been seen before in a long-period radio transient like ASCAP-Joan 1832. So, what could this object be? Is it an unusual neutron star? Or white dwarf? Perhaps it's something entirely new and unknown to us. The scientists are stumped, and we're excited to explore the possibilities with you. We'll delve deeper into the mystery of ASCAP-Joan 1832 and discuss the latest theories and discoveries in the world of astrophysics. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat, folks. We're diving into the latest news from the world of space exploration. And today we've got a thrilling update on SpaceX's ambitious Starship program. As you may know, Elon Musk's team has been working tirelessly to develop a reusable spacecraft capable of taking humans to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. Recently, SpaceX conducted its 9th test flight of the Starship, which marked a significant milestone for reuse, with the first flight-proven Super Heavy booster launching from Starbase. Although the test flight had mixed results, with the Super Heavy booster experiencing a rapid unscheduled disassembly during its landing burn, the Starship spacecraft itself was able to reach space and complete its ascent burn. However, the mission wasn't without its challenges. The payload bay door got stuck, preventing the deployment of 8 Starlink simulator satellites, and an attitude control error caused the spacecraft to tumble due to a leak that resulted in loss of main tank pressure. Despite these setbacks, Elon Musk remains optimistic, stating that there's still a lot of good data to review from the flight. But here's the exciting part. Musk has estimated that SpaceX has about a 50% chance of launching its first uncrewed Starship to Mars by the end of 2026. That's right, folks. We could be just over a year away from seeing a Starship blast off towards the Red Planet. Of course, this is an ambitious timeline, but given SpaceX's track record of innovation and perseverance, it's not entirely impossible. As Musk prepares to launch the next series of test flights, with plans to fly the Starship every 3 to 4 weeks, the space community is eagerly watching to see how these developments will unfold. Will SpaceX be able to overcome the technical challenges and achieve its goal of sending a Starship to Mars? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure, it's going to be an exciting ride. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. As we continue our journey through the vast expanse of space and time, we find ourselves pondering the fragility and beauty of our solar system. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating story that might just change the way we think about our cosmic neighborhood. Astronomers have long known that the orbits of planets in our solar system can be affected by the gravitational pull of nearby stars. However, a recent study has revealed that the risk of catastrophic events, such as planetary collisions or ejections, is higher than previously thought. The culprit behind these potential disasters. passing stars that come too close to our solar system. Imagine a star similar to our Sun, but with its own unique characteristics, hurtling through space and approaching our cosmic backyard. As it draws near, its gravitational influence begins to disrupt the delicate balance of our planetary orbits. Mercury, being the innermost planet, is particularly vulnerable to these gravitational jiggles. Its orbit becomes more elliptical, increasing the risk of collisions with other planets or even the Sun. But that's not all. The chaos that ensues can have a ripple effect throughout the solar system. Venus and Mars might collide with Earth, or our planet could be flung into the Sun or ejected from the solar system altogether. The probability of such events is low, about 0.2% over the next 5 billion years. But it's still a sobering reminder of the fragility of our existence. The study also highlights the vulnerability of Pluto, once thought to be safe in its distant orbit. However, with the influence of passing stars, Pluto's resonance with Neptune can be disrupted, putting it at risk of ejection or collision with other planets. In fact, the chance of such an event occurring is about 4% over the next 5 billion years, making Pluto's situation even more precarious than Earth's. As we gaze up at the starry night sky, we're reminded that our solar system is part of a much larger cosmic landscape. The dance of stars and planets is a complex and ever-changing ballet, with each movement influencing the others in subtle yet profound ways. And speaking of planetary discoveries, astronomers have recently found evidence suggesting that our solar system might have 9 planets again. A possible 9th planet, lurking beyond Neptune, has reignited the debate about the formation of our cosmic neighborhood. While this discovery is still in its early stages, it's an exciting reminder that there's still so much to explore and learn about the universe. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars. The universe is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled, and we're honored to be a part of this journey with you. Until next time, farewell and clear skies.